Hello, I'm Michael. I'm here today on Kite's Mobile Packaging Lab, and I'm here to talk to you about our range of FIBC bags. All of our bags are made with 30% recycled polypropylene and tested to a 5:1 safe working load. They're certified to hold 1,000 kilograms, but they've been tested to hold 5,000. Our bags come in a range of sizes, the smallest being useful for garden waste with a handle underneath, and the largest being a 2-metre tall jumbo bag useful for larger operations needing more space. Each bag is equipped with 4 handles at the top. These can be used to attach restraints to keep the bag in an open shape for filling, or even being used by forklifts for moving and lifting. 2 of our bags are equipped with top skirts or duffel tops. This allows for more flexible filling options and can also be tied shut to ensure no spillage during transport. 2 of our bags come with fill spouts. This allows for controlled filling to make sure that nothing gets spilled. If you have a product that creates a lot of dust while being filled into these bags, this is an ideal option for you, as it will eliminate this and prevent a hazardous environment. 3 of our bags come with discharge spouts. These can be used for controlled emptying and are often used in the construction, manufacturing, pharmaceutical and chemical industries, meaning that the bottom of the bags don't have to be sliced when emptying. These spouts can also be retied. We also have a tunnel bag. Now these have reinforced sides to allow a forklift driver to drive the forks straight into the sides of the bags without the need for someone to guide the handles onto the forks. This turns this operation into a one-man job, making your business more efficient. The first bag in our range is the most common FIBC bag, the standard square shape. This is mostly used in construction, but also has applications in manufacturing and warehousing. We also have the standard size FIBC, just with a fill spout. Next up, we have the tunnel bag, which I spoke about earlier. Now this is slightly taller than the standard bag, and as I mentioned, has the reinforced sides for forklifts. Now we have the standard FIBC with a top skirt and a discharge spout. As I said earlier, we also have a jumbo version of this bag with the top skirt and the discharge spout. Here we have our baffle bag. Now the baffle bag has reinforced corners to help maintain the bag's square shape during filling and storage. This makes it ideal for anyone that wants to pack these onto containers or lorries and wants to ensure they can fit in as many bags as possible in the space they have. This bag comes with a fill spout and a discharge spout. This is our garden waste bag. This is our smallest bag and is about half the size of the other FIBCs. It has a handle underneath for easy tipping, making it ideal for construction waste or garden waste. This is ideal if you don't have access to a forklift truck, as it's perfect for moving small amounts of garden waste and other things from point A to point B, just with one person. Each of our bags come with this safety label. Here it is in more detail. This has information on it such as date of manufacture, certification date, and also best handling practice. This gives you peace of mind that our bags are up to standard for your requirements. Thanks for watching this video on FIBC bags. We also have other solutions for similar industries such as rubble sacks, refuse sacks, and woven polypropylene sacks. Please check them out on our website.